This video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to remove the fake Windows support alerts that quote this fake Windows support number +1 844 540 9050. So, this is a fake number not related to Windows or Microsoft, and if you see these pop-ups, remember that they are totally fake and obviously deceptive. Such pop-ups, in fact, could be the consequence of some adware on the computer. If you see these pop-ups, do not trust them, do not tolerate them. Such pop-ups, in fact, could be the result of some adware enabled on your computer. So if you see these pop-ups, do not trust them. Leave this page. I also recommend you to carefully examine your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get its latest version on the website combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching your system. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other threats.
After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of this scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.